When you're out on a photo shoot or just out and about taking photographs, sometimes you'll get an absolutely cracking shot. But then when you get back home and start editing, which can be a while after the shoot sometimes, it's really hard to remember which ones were the good ones without going through them all again. And when you have taken loads of images, this can take ages. Now, cameras have had star rating systems in them for a really long time, but did you know that this star rating can be transferred across to Lightroom or Capture One if you rate them in the camera? The way I utilize this function in my A7 III is to set up a custom button to rate them within the camera. To do this, go to tab 2, 8 of 9 and select the Playback Custom key. Then select the button you want to assign this task to. I'm going to put it on Custom Key 1 and select Rating. Here you can select how many star ratings you will give the images you like. If you have all of these checked, the button you selected will just toggle through the star ratings. I just select 1 star. The reason for this is that I'm going to mark these images for future reference. So I don't need a star rating, I just need the ones that I like marked. So I'll uncheck the stars 2 to 5 and then select Enter. With just one selected, it's either on or off. And I find this a much better and a much quicker solution where I can select them quickly, or if I've selected the wrong one, then I can deselect it quickly. After switching this on, when I preview the image, all I have to do is press Custom Key 1. It puts a 1 star on the image, and if I press it again, it removes that rating. Then back in Lightroom or Capture One, when I import these images, the stars will be there ready to go. In Lightroom, to select only the starred images, click on the word Filter if you can't see the stars, and then click on the 1 star. Now you'll only see the starred images from your camera. You can toggle this star rating on and off by clicking on these stars. So if you want to make more selections throughout the photos that you've taken, toggle the stars off and you'll get to see all of your photos. For more videos, subscribe and make sure you turn on notifications. Also, head over to my YouTube channel where I have a growing library of photography and videography tutorials. I'll see you next time.